Hello everyone. We have come to the final flourish of the evening, and this evening for our final hurrah we have, can you see that? Can you see the jiggle? Jiggle, 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 jiggle. I have had nothing to drink, FYI. And then we have some delicious ice cream to have with it. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, shall I give it a go?
Absolutely, sure.
Alright, let's do this. Are you ready to witness the first bite of the soufflé? And then some ice cream.
Prestige.
Soufflé cold ice cream. This is what dreams are. Amazing. I have died and gone to heaven. Thank you for tuning in. I'm going to finish this.
That was so cheesy.